Hello students, welcome back in your class. So today in our class we will learn about the Rajasthan political map. Rajasthan political map. So in this activity we will learn about the districts of Rajasthan and the international boundary of the Rajasthan and interstate boundary of the Rajasthan. So, and we will also know about the districts of Rajasthan, and they are very important for you. So, you can see here, here is Sri Ganganagar, our hometown, where we live, and this is the international boundary. International boundary that we share with the Pakistan. You can see here. Okay, so till here, here to here. So our 4 district touches the boundary, international boundary that we share with the Pakistan. Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Sri Ganganagar, or as well as Badmer. Badmer from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Okay. Here is Pakistan. Here is Pakistan. Oh, this is all. Now, in this side, we share boundary with the states of our Indian states like Punjab, Haryana, UP, MP, and Gujarat. Here. Over Rajasthan state touch its boundary with 5 states and 1 international boundary with the Pakistan, and that is our international border, and that is called Radcliffe, Sir Radcliffe line. And after this we will read about our districts one by one. So in this, first of all, Sri Ganganagar, and this is our hometown, Sri Ganganagar. It shares its boundary with the international boundary with Pakistan as well as here in Punjab. Now also shares with Hanumangarh. After that, Sri Ganganagar, then Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Badmer, and Jalore. Okay, so now after the Jalore, you can see here Sirohi and Udaipur. Now you can see here Jalore, Sirohi. Here is the Gujarat. Okay, this side Udaipur, then Dungarpur, Banswara, and Pratapgarh, Chittorgarh, Bhilwara. These are also touches the boundary with MP, Bundi, Kota, Jhalawad, Bara. And after this, Swai Madhapur, Karoli, and then Dholpur, Bharatpur, Alwar. They also touch the boundary with UP state. Now you can see here Sikar, Jhunjhunu, and here Haryana, and now Hanumangarh, Srinagar share its boundary with Punjab. So this is our boundary, interstate boundary, and this side from here to here, this is our international boundary that we share with the Pakistan. Okay. So the question is this: what is the length of this boundary from here to here? And that is 1070 kilometer, 1070 kilometer. This is the length of this boundary that we share over Rajasthan with Pakistan. Okay, so, and we have the 4 districts in this: Sri Ganganagar, Bikaner, Jaisalmer, and Badmer. Okay, so interesting fact: the capital of our Rajasthan is Jaipur. Here you can see here. So these are here all are 33 districts. 33 districts. You can see, you also can count, these all are 33 districts, and that includes Rajasthan. And there are some fact that I want to share with you, I want to tell you about like this Pali. This is only one district that is shares boundary most of the other district of Rajasthan. Like if you count, there are total 8. 1 Nagaur, 2 number Jodhpur, and 3 number Badmer, 4 number Jalore, 5 number Sirohi, 6 number Udaipur, and 7 number Rajsamand, and 8 number Ajmer. So Pali shares boundary with the 8th district of Rajasthan. You can see here. This is the fact. And the next thing I want to share one more thing. The shape of Rajasthan. The shape of Rajasthan, like as we see in Hindi, tilak. इसकी जो शेप है वो एक तिलक के समान है. इट विल हेल्प यू टू लर्न. देख लिए माथे के तिलक की. एंड आल्सो the shape of sikar, and it is also like as a bowl, and also half moon we can say. इसको हम कह सकते हैं एक कटोरे नुमा इनकी आकृति है. साथ ही साथ हम इसको ये भी अगर याद रखने के लिए कह सकते हैं कि ये चांद की आकृति जैसा शिखर. सेम अजमेर. अजमेर की आकृति कैसी है? ये आकृति आपको मिलेगी मुकुट के समान. सो इसके साथ ही साथ देखिए ये जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैं, कुछ डिस्ट्रिक्ट इसको हम अगर बांटें पूरे, इफ वी डिवाइड द ऑल राजस्थान, सो वी कैन डिवाइड इट 4 or 5 पार्ट्स. ड्राई, सेमी ड्राई, and this type of regions, and as well as Hadoti area. This side we have Hadoti area. Hadoti, because there is a plateaus, Hadoti plateau, that's we called Hadoti. Bundi, Kota, Para and Jhalawar. This is Hadoti area. And as well Aravali mountains from here to here. And these all things we will learn in physical map, not in political map. So today we are studying about Rajasthan political map. So what you have to do? You have to learn these 33 districts, their locations like this, and after that you have to take a blank Rajasthan political map. You can say empty, this one. Okay, so the same shape as here, this outlining. So there is the outline is given here, but you have to fill this. Okay, so first of all you have to learn this, and then after this you have to fill this. Like this is Jaipur, Ganganagar, Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Badmer, like this Jalore, Sirohi, Udaipur, and these all things, Pali. So first of all learn this, and then fill this. You have to practice at home. So fill these all district in this map. Take a picture, make a video of this, and send to me. Thank you. Very good.